Welcome back to Kenny's Garage. Today I want to take you out in our machine shop here at Aerospace Components and show you how we machine a couple of our components for our vacuum pump systems. Come on and join me. We are machining this mounting bracket for our vacuum pump system here at our CNC machining center. Made in America here at Aerospace Components. We are machining our vacuum pump pulleys in our CNC lathe here at Aerospace, made in America. I hope you enjoyed that tour of Aerospace Components, seeing how we machine a couple of our parts for our vacuum pump system. Look forward to seeing you again soon.